Ayan. Ayan na.
You take?
Yeah, I'll take in this.
Sayang.
Wala na sapaw.
Sayang.
Shit! I felt that as well. God damn it.
Gosh, wait.
Ah!
Dikit meron akong panlaban.
Chapang.
10?
Oh, okay.
No, I know you can't.
May sapaw pa ka?
Wala na po.
Ay, sorry. Sorry.
Ang dami. Ang dami.
House, yeah.
That's annoying. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye. No?
Kasi hit si baby.
Yeah.
I-hits. Sais. Yan na.
10? No?
Ano ang putos na yan? Wala nang baraha?
Oh, sure. Oh, tongits. Tatlo alas.
9 ako.
6.
Oh, sana hits
6?
yun.
Okay, I was 6. Please fight, please fight. Because I was 4. 8.
8?
Oh. Because I was just thinking, like, I think I'm low enough, right?
Yeah. I was planning to fight.
I know, that's why he stops, like, yeah, fight, I'm gonna fight.
I was 9.
Sorry?
I was 9 when I was planning to fight.
Oh, yeah, I was 4. Yeah.
Already?
Yeah, I was 4. That's the one I throw.
Sana yun hindi ko binaba. Oh, tawang isa
Yung-
ko.
Oh, anong bindi niya? Ah, yung 8. Ah!
Sana tinuro ko.
Oo nga, no.
Oo. Wala na ako tatapon.
I had 2 7s and a 4. And I was like, no one's sappawing there, it's in the deck. Yes!